Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme 6i. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, you need to open it. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we have to wait for this one. And do the same. Then choose Send on Realme and Receive on Realme 6i. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go only with one photo. Select Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure though, you can always go into File Manager, click on Photos, and as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!